Okay, we will go ahead and do number 8. And for number 8, we have 3 transformations. We will have, this is going to be a bit more challenging. We have a vertical stretch by 2. Okay, that's not challenging. I think what's challenging is the next one. The next one is the, now there's a 3 right here. That's a B value. And remember that there's a B value of 3. And when you have the B value, you interpret it as the reciprocal. So this is a 1/3 actually. And this is a horizontal compression by 1/3. Okay. And of course, we'll move up by 2. That's the 2 at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our first dot on the map. Now this is the original dot, but we're going to have a vertical stretch by 2. That means the y value, it's going to be multiplied by 2. Okay, and then horizontal compression, meaning that the x value would be multiplied by 1/3. So 1/3 right here. So 1 becomes 1/3. And then we're going to move up by 2. So up by 2. So there'll be, so if I have to label this point, it would be 1/3, comma 4. Okay, if I have to label the point, that point would be a 1/3, comma 4. Okay. And then the other point, it's supposed to be at -1, comma -1. And then we have a vertical stretch by 2. So -1 becomes -2. Horizontal compression by 1/3, and then go up by 2. Hey, that's right at the x-axis. So that would be our intercept. Well, x-intercept would be -1/3, -1/3, comma 0. Okay, and our y-intercept is 0, comma. Let's go and find out. Actually, you know what? We would not have a y-intercept because the moment I put in a 0 for x, I just realized that x cannot be 0 because it's our restriction, and that's our vertical asymptote. So, hey, that's lovely, right? We have one less calculation to do. So our vertical asymptote will be at x equal to 0. Our horizontal asymptote would be at y equals to 2. Okay, y equals to 2. Let me write the 2 better. Y equals to 2. Okay, so hey, we have the center of rotational symmetry, which is 0, comma 2. Okay, where the 2 asymptotes would intersect. And I think we can go ahead and finish our graph right here. So it will look like this. Again, just make sure that you have a little round corner. Okay, and then the graph also should stick pretty close to the asymptotes. Okay, so that's how we will have this graph. And our domain, which is the x value, will go all the way from the left to 0, and then from 0 all the way to infinity. So the x value will be everything but 0. Okay, everything but 0. The range, it's going to be everything but 2. Okay, everything but 2. Okay, so we happen to not have any, it happens to be the fact that we don't have a y value of 2. Okay, and y-intercept, it's none. So that's number 8. Okay, so make sure that you take care of the vertical stretch and the horizontal compression carefully. Okay, so think about how the vertical stretch and compression, horizontal stretch and compression, it's more about multiplying. And then the shifting is about the adding and subtracting. Okay.